The report shows the city spent $258 million during the 2012 fiscal year.
It summarizes our major funds. It gives us the opportunity to give the community accomplishments, our goals for the future.
General fund revenue increased more than $5 million compared to 2011. The fund's spending also increased almost $4 million in the same year.
And the general fund is kind of the major fund of the city. It's where our sales tax, our property tax numbers for revenue, but on the expenditure side, it's kind of what you think of as a face of the city, your police department, your libraries, your fire department.
Public safety made up the largest segment of city spending at $88 million for police and fire. Amarillo Police Department's directed patrols were successful in decreasing crime by 5% in 2012.
The chief started using a directed patrol method. We would take officers that are not responsible to handle normal calls and put them into areas where we're having crime.
Amarillo Crime Stoppers also helped reduce crime with more than 1,600 tips in 2012.
It's able to be even more specific than directed patrol in some manner. The Crime Stoppers Fugitives of the Week are captured very, very regularly. I think we got 47 out of 48 that he posted last year.
Water and sewer rates separate from the general fund account for $58 million in spending.
Getting the water in, treating it, getting the water back out and treating it, and it's definitely a major function for the city.
The 2012 report also gave insight into future expenditures for 2013.
You know, the commission has in the past that had focused on public safety. I think that's still going to be a priority, plus looking at our aging infrastructure like our roads.
Andrea Flores, ProNews 7.